We just learned that there are 3 ways to send one message to several recipients. Now let's examine each method a little bit more closely. Imagine the following scenario. You have one station that needs to send information to 5 other stations. The first option to get the message out is to send a series of unicasts. This means the source station must create 5 separate messages, address each one, and transmit each one. That one message is now using 5 times the amount of bandwidth to traverse the network backbone. Now, 5 messages may not sound like too much of a problem, but what if that unicast message was 500 recipients, or 5,000? That can really tax a network. So let's see if we can find a better option. How about broadcast? When the network sends a broadcast, only one message is generated, which makes it easier on the source. However, what impact might a broadcast have throughout the network? Since it is broadcast, it goes everywhere. So each switch replicates it and sends it out every port. Now you have a lot more traffic traveling across the network, and most of it is unnecessary. Furthermore, every station on the network has to take the time to look at the packet, and if a switch doesn't need it, it discards it. Still, the action of examining the packet wastes the device resources. So, when you only want to reach a subset of the whole network, rather than everyone on the network, broadcasting is not a great option either. So this brings us to the final option and the purpose of this lesson: a multicast message. A multicast packet is created once. This makes the transmission easy on the source. The packet travels across the network and is only replicated by intelligent switches that are able to determine, based on its multicast address, where it needs to go. This makes it easy on the network. And, finally, only the appropriate destinations receive the multicast message, and this makes it easy on the network stations. One final thing to note about multicast traffic is that because it is called multicast routing and not multicast bridging, the multicast traffic has the ability to travel across routers, which is something normal broadcast traffic cannot do. So, now that we've learned about unicasting, broadcasting, and multicasting, let's take a wild guess as to which method you think is the best for sending one message to many recipients.